FBDs are widely used in pharmaceutical manufacturing to dry material. Hot air flows through a bed of powdered material, fluidizing and drying it in a turbulent motion. Achieving the desired outlet moisture is critical to achieve perfect compression of tablets. Steam is used to heat air to the required temperature, which is typically less than 100 degrees Celsius. A typical hookup around the FBD consists of an on-off valve which controls the air temperature based on the process set point, and a ball float steam trap which also has an on-off angle valve installed on its bypass to evacuate condensate formed in the air battery. Some common issues that plants face include high startup and batch times, fluctuating process temperatures, product moisture variations, higher steam consumption, air battery coil failures. Hot air temperatures varies ±5 degrees Celsius against the required temperature. This is due to the use of an on-off valve to control temperature. And higher steam pressure of 3.5 to 4 bar, as the ball flow trap is unable to effectively evacuate condensate. Startup times are higher, and water hammering in the air heater battery leads to coil failures. To meet process requirements, operators open the actuated trap bypass to evacuate condensate logged in the equipment, but this leads to steam loss. By rectifying the steam and condensate design, our solution eliminates all of these issues. Steam supply pressure is reduced and controlled at 1 or 1.5 bar through our patented coil stem valve with its unique combination of optimized pressure reduction, temperature control, and built-in measurement, which indicates steam consumption. The steam-operated pump trap resolves the issue of stalling and evacuates condensate even at 1 to 1.5 bar. This eliminates water hammer and steam loss through the bypass. The complete solution ensures optimum batch timings with a low energy footprint.